Athanasian Creed, Episode 18. Deus est ex substantia patris ante saecula genitus, et homo est ex substantia matris in saeculo natus. Perfectus Deus, perfectus homo, ex anima rationali et humana carne subsistens. The Creed continues here, talking about the person of Christ. He is God, Deus est, from the substance of the Father, ex substantia. This is an equivalent of the Greek word ousia, like so. He is God from the substance of the Father, ante saecula, before the ages, begotten. Genitus and Deus are both masculine singular and nominative. Saecula is neuter plural accusative, as the object of the preposition ante, which takes always and only the accusative. He is man, a human being, from the substance of his mother, born in time, in the age, in saeculo. Matris here, in the feminine singular and genitive, is parallel to patris in the masculine singular genitive. Ex substantia Deus homo, ante saecula corresponds to in saeculo, and genitus is contrasted with natus, same gender, number, and case. Of course, and he is God, from the substance of his mother, born in time. He is perfectus Deus, completely God, or perfect God, completely, perfectly human. Each one of these is masculine, singular, and nominative. He is completely or perfectly God, completely, perfectly human. Ex anima rationali, from a rational soul. Anima and rationali are feminine, singular, and ablative. Rationalis is a third declension adjective, and like all third declension adjectives, it is I stem. So from a rational or a reasonable soul, and from human flesh, humana carne, also feminine singular ablative, consisting or subsisting. Subsistens is a present active participle from the third conjugation verb subsistere. So consisting of or made of, comprised of, a rational soul and human flesh.